Hi, I'm Stuart Kelly from Rubio Monocoat. Today we're going to show you how to restore your worktop using our one coat oil plus 2C. To ensure your timber is ready for application, sand the worktop with a P120 grit or higher using an orbital sander. After sanding, it is important to clean the timber properly before you begin to oil. Use a lint-free cloth to remove any dust that's left on the surface. We suggest using Rubio Monocoat wood prep as this is designed to remove any fine dust that can't be seen. The worktop should be dry enough to begin the oiling process within the hour. Now on to our favourite part, choosing the colour. We're going to use the Oil plus 2C Natural as it brings out the warmness of the oak. For most kitchen worktops, 100 millilitres or 350 millilitres will be more than enough to cover the surface. To apply the oil, you'll need the following: Oil plus 2C, an accelerator, scrubby set with handle and pad, a lint-free cloth, containers, and a stirring stick. Before we start, give the can a good shake. Mixing the accelerator, you'll want to use 3 parts oil to 1 part accelerator, which helps with the drying and curing process. This is ideal for when you're wanting to get surfaces back in action quickly. Now add some oil onto the worktop. Remember, it's easier to add more than it is to remove the excess. Now grab your blue scrubby handle and pad and begin to work the oil into the surface. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. The oil is designed to start sinking into the timber. Rubio Monocoat's unique molecular bonding technology in Oil plus 2C is designed to bind with the fibres of all wood species. After 5 minutes, using your lint-free cloth, wipe off the excess and polish the surface until it looks and feels dry. In a well-ventilated room, the surface can be used again within 24 to 36 hours. After 5 days, the surface will be fully cured and you will be able to clean with either water or one of the Rubio Monocoat cleaning products. Your worktop is now food safe, ready and protected. To keep your worktop looking like this, I would use Surface Care Eco Spray once a week and Refresh Eco several times a year to keep the timber nourished. These and all our other helpful products are found on our website at www.rubiomonocoatonline.co.uk.